How to make TikTok agency account step by step in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to register with TikTok for Business, like visit the TikTok for Business website and sign up or log in. You just have to simply come to the business.tiktok.com/agency and click on get started. And after that, you have to navigate to the business center and register your company, including details like your company name, time zone, and currency. And after that, you have to invite team members, and assign them appropriate roles like admin or standard, and permissions like admin, operator, or analyst for managing ad accounts and campaigns. And after that, you have to manage ad accounts and campaigns within the business center. You can manage multiple ad accounts, track performance, and collaborate on campaigns. And after that, consider a TikTok sales representative. For agencies managing a large number of ad accounts, it's recommended to connect with that TikTok sales representative who can guide you through the process. And you just have to simply remember some key things like the business center is a central hub for managing your agency's TikTok activities, including client account and the campaigns. And the business center allows for efficient collaboration by enabling you to invite team members and assign specific roles and permissions, and you can manage all your agency's billing payment information within the business center. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one.